These are the elevators at the Cork Factory Loft Apartments in the Strip District, Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania. These are Schindler 400A elevators with HT fan-resistant fixtures. HT Premium hall stations in case fire night elevators. We'll go down to the basement. And here we go down. Car number 2. This is the only one that goes down, by the way. Here at the basement. We'll go up to 7. And we're stopping at ground. There you go. There the rear door closes. Now the front door's about to close. There's a lady getting on in and going through there. That's fine. She's using the elevator to get to a loading dock. I'll check when these were installed when I get out of the elevator if I remember. These are pretty worn out. You're at 7. Ooh, very loud up here. We'll go back down to ground in GR. 88 phone. Pretty basic stainless steel cats, pretty warm. And you can hear the really loud brakes releasing. These elevators have very loud brakes. See where they have padding. Actually, you know what? That lady keeps moving around. We'll just end it at 2. And GR went out. That's weird. Alright, let's just end it at 2. That closes, and that's going to be it.